I have a question for the world. Do birds have scrotums? The world may never know. Do birds have scrotums? Hopefully the world knows. What do you think, Lars?
What I think, I don't know. I wanna know if birds have scrotums. Yo, I wanna know when they fly low. Do they have anything that should show they should have scrotums? If they don't, that would be weird. Birds should have scrotums all day long, 24 hours a week. Yeah, birds should have scrotums. Yeah.
Do birds have scrotums? The world may never know. Do birds have scrotums? Hopefully the world knows.
So tell me, brother! Birds have scrotums, this I know. The question is, yes or no? When I look up in the sky, look up high. Birds have scrotum cause I've seen them with my eyes. They're not in disguise, they be hanging low. Cause I've seen them from here to Mexico. From gooses to penguins, pigeons too. They be hanging all the way to Timbuktu.
Yeah.